Okay, so doing a light check. Got most of the markings put on the saucer upper part. And I'm just gonna check the lighting and make sure that still looks pretty good. Make sure that flood is still hitting the registry like I like. So we'll cut some lights off. And we'll do some checking here. Drop some more lights. Oh yeah, I like that. Seems to be lighting up pretty well. Absolutely zero light bleed. So yeah, that's hitting the registry. Really nice. I like that. And we have the lounge is still pretty good. I don't have the nav lights or the strobes hooked up at this point. Alright. I'm going to flip it over and then we'll check the bottom. Okay, the bottom floods are looking pretty good too. Lighten up the pretty good area on the bottom there, especially in the front. I bought another batch of the iridescent paints from McKinsey Taxidermy, but they weren't mixed as well, or as strong, I should say, as my first batch. They weren't as impressive. And I did the bottom of this ship with the new batch of paint from McKinsey, but it still turned out very well. Absolutely no light leaks at all. I just need to do a light wet sanding on the bottom because I have like 4 coats of Future to seal everything. I'm going to lightly sand that because it's been curing now on the bottom for 2 days, so that's nice and hard. Then we'll go with the markings on the bottom, and I'll put the lenses in here and do the final touch-up on the lower saucer dome. Then the sensor bands, I still have a couple sets of those decals, so I won't have to paint those, thank God. And I'll get those put on as well. And this one does have it's upside down, but does have the crew lounge in there, or whatever that is. Anyway, kind of hard to see. Okay, so that's that little test. I'm fairly happy with it. Let's put the lights back on. Ta-da! Of course, the Aztecs are looking pretty good. You'll see a little bit of roughness across the surface. That's because I have a coat of Future on there. And about another day or so, I'll be able to wet sand that all smooth. The pinstriping I got on tonight, it's still settling. I'll put another coat of Future over top of that to get it to shrink up a little bit more. It's not the easiest part of the decals to do on this ship, but a little patience can turn out pretty good. Alright. Hopefully I have the markings on the bottom by tomorrow. JC Model Works will be back in business probably in another couple months. I'll be setting up a new shop. I'll be caught up on back orders. And once I am caught up on back orders and all my clients that have been waiting are taken care of, I'll be taking new orders for the refit and the TOS. And hopefully the new 350 Bird of Prey that Polar Lights is supposed to be releasing. Or if you want the new Franklin. I think Tenna Controls is putting electronics out for all those ships, plus a new board for the refit. So good things to come. Like I said, I'll be back in business full-time again. Well, not full-time, but probably in 2 or 3 months when I get all my clients caught up that I've been waiting, and I'll be able to take some fresh orders. All right. Till next time.